Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic logic circuits. We know all the types of gates. Now we will learn how to connect these gates. Okay. Logic circuits are the basic building blocks of real world of computers. A logic circuit is an electronic circuit that consists of number of logic gates and perform logical operations on data. Okay, one more point. Logic gates are the basic components of logic circuit. Fine. Logic gates are the basic components of logic circuits. Now, how to connect these logic gates? Okay, it means connecting logic gates. Connecting logic gates. Logic gates. See here how to connect. First, see the diagram here. Suppose we have two inputs. These are inputs and this is AND gate. We receive here output A dot B. This is the output of this AND gate. Okay. And this output work as input for this NOT gate. After passing the NOT gate A dot B, we receive here, this is input for NOT gate, and we receive here output A dot B bar. Okay. It means the output of a logic gate, can be connected to the input of another logic gate. Okay. This makes a logic circuit. This is NOT gate. Fine. Now come to the next point, designing a circuit with the help of Boolean expression. Boolean expression is a mathematical expression that results in a Boolean value, that is in a value of either true or false. Boolean expressions use the operators AND, OR, XOR, NOT, etc. to design an electronic circuit. Example like F equal to A B plus A bar B. Okay, this F stand function. Okay, so this is called function. Second, Boolean expression. How to express this function in a Boolean form? In these two variables, one dot is here and here also. Okay, so for dot represents AND gate. Okay, so for this and this, we have to make here two AND gate. This is one AND gate and this one is for one AND gate. Okay. These two AND gate, one for first portion A, we receive here A dot B, and here A B, but see here A bar, written here A bar. A bar means A with NOT gate. Okay, so one NOT gate is here, and we receive after NOT gate A bar. Fine, and the output is now A bar dot B. Okay, in these two gates there is one symbol, that is plus. Plus denotes OR gate. Plus denotes OR gate. So we make here one OR gate. Okay, and now we receive all the function as output. F equal to A B or A dot B plus A bar dot B, because A dot B we receive from here and A dot B we receive from here. Okay, so this is called function, and this one is a logic circuit. One thing more, here Boolean expression. Okay, Boolean expression. F equal to A dot B. Dot B means this AND gate this one is the AND gate and plus OR gate. Fine. So A dot B, it means A for dot, we write here gate name and B. Okay, for plus we write here OR, then A is a here A bar, it means NOT, NOT gate, NOT A bracket close, and again here dot, it means AND gate and B. Okay, so this is called function, this is called Boolean logic circuit, and this is the expression. Okay, these are inputs and this one is the output. The output of these two gates is a input for this OR gate. Okay, the output of one logic gate can be connected to the input of another logic gate. This is called logic circuit. Okay, thank you class.